The Trade Union Congress (TUC) don carry protest go Ministry of Finance for Abuja sake of government never pay workers their allowance and other things wey dem suppose don get since. During the protest, dem beg Minister of Finance make dem pay all the money wey dem dey owe workers sharp sharp. Dem talk say government need to improve workers' welfare and clear all pending money wey still remain.
We want to thank you, sir, for finding us worthy to come and speak to the working people. We want to believe you on your honor that you will pull this through. We've seen the approval. We want it to translate into Naira and Kobo within a reasonable time. In the meantime, we are not calling off this action, sir. We are only going to suspend for a while. We will provide further instruction on our platform when we will resume here tomorrow. I wish to also put on notice, Honorable Pamsec, that all affiliates of TUC have been put on red alert. Tomorrow, we will converge here. But I tell you, comrades, further directives will be, you will see it on your platform on the next line of action. We will be reasonable. We are reasonable people. That is why we are not mobilizing in our thousands to come here today, because we know beyond the withheld monies accruing to NNRA, you also have a responsibility to dispense with. That we are not unmindful of, and will allow you this privilege on your honor. But remember, when we are going to come back, we might not give you notice, sir. We want to believe you will do the needful. We thank you very much for coming, and we assure you that we will go back and re-strategize on the next line of action. Thank you very much, sir. It's Permanent Secretary. You know, in my place, they say seeing is believing. Please, can you show the working people the approval you have? Can they cite it? I have seen it, but I need you to cite it. Una don't see am? Una don't see am? Solidarity!
Permanent Secretary for Ministry of Finance, Aliyu Ahmed, come address the protesters. He give them strong assurance say government go pay all outstanding allowance and wage awards within the next 48 hours. He also talks say the ministry will respond to all the things wey TUC they ask for.
In the next 48 hours, you will receive your payment. So on this note, I want to thank you people for agreeing to allow us to enter the office so that we do our work for you to have what you are looking for. Your voice has been heard and we will not disappoint you. Thank you.
Solidarity! Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.